Here, we have a complete 2-inch LightRay system all laid out. Let's show you how to set it up. Before we begin, we want to make sure that we have an adequate supply of air of at least 75 psi coming in. Next, ensure that your regulator is set to 0. Now, you can connect the air line. Next, connect the air line from the regulator into the air out. Then, connect the other end of this hose into where the water separator goes. Now, connect a hose from the water separator coming out. This line then connects to the vacuum air valve. Before making this connection, it's good to make sure that the vacuum air valve is switched in line to vacuum. Now we can connect the end of the line into the vacuum air valve. Next, thread on the back pressure gauge. From here, take the air line and connect it to the back pressure gauge, going out. This air line will connect into the side of the reel. Now we're ready to connect the electrical lines. First, take the cable and connect it into the side of the box. Then, take the other end and connect it to the side of the reel. Next, take the GFI power cable and plug that into the box. Then, plug the other end into a standard 110-volt power source. Your system is now completely set up and ready to use.